Research at the Skinwalker Ranch discovered a buried alien spacecraft under the ranch.
Whoa, wait. We got something.
A buried alien spacecraft. Yes, you heard that right. Recent research at Skinwalker Ranch has uncovered a potential discovery that could reshape everything we know about extraterrestrial life. For decades, this ranch has been the epicenter of bizarre, unexplained events. UFO sightings, glowing orbs, cattle mutilations, and even rumors of portals to other dimensions. But what if all these strange occurrences are linked to something hidden deep underground, something that's been there for centuries? Stick around as we are going to explore what researchers have found, how they discovered it, and why this could be the ultimate proof of alien existence. The history of Skinwalker Ranch. Before we get to the recent discovery, let's rewind for a moment and talk about the bizarre history of Skinwalker Ranch. Located in northeastern Utah, the ranch spans 500 acres of isolated land, surrounded by stunning yet eerie landscapes. For years, it was owned by billionaire Robert Bigelow, who turned the property into a research hub for paranormal phenomena. So why did Bigelow invest millions into this particular spot? Skinwalker Ranch has long been considered one of the most active paranormal sites in the world, drawing interest from both scientists and enthusiasts alike. Local Native American tribes have warned about the skinwalkers, shape-shifting creatures said to haunt the land and embody dark forces. Starting in the 1990s, the situation escalated with numerous UFO sightings, mysterious lights in the sky, and unexplainable mutilations of livestock that left locals in fear. Witnesses reported seeing orbs of light darting across the night sky, strange noises echoing through the valley, and even encounters with unearthly creatures that seemed to defy explanation. These phenomena weren't just limited to the surface. Many researchers began to wonder, could something hidden underground be responsible for all this? As rumors and accounts piled up, the ranch became a magnet for scientific inquiry and ghost hunting expeditions. That's where the real mystery begins. Could the secrets buried beneath the surface hold the key to understanding the bizarre occurrences? The research teams and advanced technology. Fast forward to today, and the investigation at Skinwalker Ranch has taken a remarkable turn. New owners, including Brandon Fugel, have ramped up efforts, bringing in advanced technology. We're talking ground-penetrating radar, thermal imaging, and electromagnetic field detectors. This team is genuinely committed to uncovering the truth behind the ranch's mysteries, and it didn't take long for them to start picking up on something strange, very strange. While scanning the land, researchers detected a massive anomaly deep below the surface in the heart of the ranch. The readings showed something metallic, something huge, and it wasn't natural. At first, they speculated it could be a large mineral deposit or perhaps an old mining operation. However, the shape and density didn't align with any natural formations found in the area. As they continued their analysis, the data became increasingly compelling, pointing towards something artificial buried beneath the ranch. What's even more intriguing is that the anomaly appeared to have unusual electromagnetic properties, causing spikes in their readings. This prompted the researchers to consider the possibility that whatever lay beneath the surface might not only be a physical object, but could also be emitting some kind of energy. With each scan and measurement, the mystery deepened, fueling theories that this object could be tied to the ranch's long history of paranormal activity. The team knew they were on the verge of a groundbreaking discovery, and they were determined to find out what was truly buried beneath Skinwalker Ranch. The discovery of the buried craft. After months of research and countless hours of analyzing data, the team believes they've found evidence of what could be a buried spacecraft. Let that sink in. A craft of unknown origin, hidden deep underground. The size of this thing? Well, it's massive, around 30 meters in length and 10 meters wide, constructed from materials that don't match anything found in the surrounding area. This discovery raises significant questions about its origins and purpose. As researchers delved deeper into the data, they started to see patterns that connected the craft to the ongoing paranormal activity at the ranch. Could this be the reason for the strange occurrences that have puzzled investigators and locals alike for centuries? Many speculate that the craft might be emitting some sort of energy field, potentially influencing the environment and explaining the UFO sightings, mysterious lights, and even the baffling cattle mutilations reported over the years. What's more intriguing is the possibility that this craft is not entirely dormant. Some researchers have hypothesized that it may still possess operational capabilities or could even be communicating with other entities. The electromagnetic anomalies detected near the site suggest that whatever technology is buried there could be affecting the natural energy fields around the ranch, creating a hot spot for paranormal phenomena. This line of thinking has excited not just researchers, but also UFO enthusiasts and skeptics alike. The idea that a buried spacecraft could be the epicenter of such widespread activity opens a new chapter in the quest to understand not only the mysteries of Skinwalker Ranch, but also the broader implications for humanity's understanding of extraterrestrial life. As the team prepares for further investigation, they are acutely aware that each discovery could be a step closer to unlocking the secrets of both the ranch and the universe itself. The evidence and theories. Now, before we all jump to conclusions, let's talk about the evidence. The team has collected geophysical data that shows something metallic and artificial is buried there. Additionally, electromagnetic anomalies have been detected right above the site, signals that could be linked to some sort of technology deep underground. These anomalies have been recorded before, but now we're starting to connect the dots, and the implications are staggering. One compelling theory is that this object could indeed be alien in origin, possibly a ship that crash-landed here thousands of years ago and has been buried ever since. Some researchers speculate that the electromagnetic pulses we've been picking up might be attempts at communication. Could something still be alive or active inside? This notion is both thrilling and unsettling. If there's an entity or technology that remains functional, it raises questions about what it might be trying to convey, or whether it could pose a risk to our understanding of safety and normalcy. Furthermore, the idea that a buried spacecraft could have influenced the environment and led to the phenomena reported at Skinwalker Ranch for decades is not just science fiction. It's a hypothesis worth exploring. From reports of mysterious lights in the sky to unexplained creature sightings, the threads of the story seem to weave a complex tapestry of interconnected events. And let's not forget the history of the area. Local Native American lore speaks of strange beings and phenomena, which adds another layer of depth to the mystery. Could the stories of the past be echoing the truths hidden beneath the ground? As researchers continue to analyze the data and gather more evidence, the excitement grows, because when it comes to Skinwalker Ranch, almost nothing seems impossible, and every clue brings us one step closer to unraveling a mystery that has captivated the world. UFO sightings and the buried craft connection. Here's where it gets even more interesting. There have been multiple UFO sightings directly above where the buried craft was detected. Coincidence? Maybe. However, some researchers strongly believe these sightings could be connected to whatever's down there. Could UFOs be visiting the ranch to monitor the craft? Or perhaps they're trying to retrieve it? These questions only add to the intrigue. Witnesses have reported seeing strange lights and crafts hovering in the sky above this exact location, often coinciding with times when researchers pick up electromagnetic anomalies. Some of these sightings describe crafts that dart across the sky in ways that defy the laws of physics, making sharp turns and accelerating at incredible speeds. It's almost like these UFOs are aware of something buried beneath the surface and are attempting to make contact. Moreover, the consistency of these sightings raises fascinating questions. Could it be that the electromagnetic pulses detected above the site act as a beacon or signal, attracting attention from these unidentified flying objects? If the buried craft is indeed operational, it might be emitting signals that are drawing these UFOs closer, perhaps indicating that there is something significant to investigate. As researchers delve deeper into these phenomena, the connections between the buried craft and ongoing UFO sightings paint a picture of a much larger mystery, a potential gateway to understanding not just what lies beneath Skinwalker Ranch, but also the very nature of extraterrestrial engagement with our planet. The more we learn, the more questions arise, creating a cycle of curiosity that may just lead us to uncover the truth about what's really happening in this enigmatic location. The implications of the discovery. So what does this all mean? If this is truly a buried alien spacecraft, it could rewrite the history books. Think about it. This could be proof that we are not alone, that alien civilizations have visited Earth, maybe even crash-landed here. And if that's the case, it raises a ton of questions. What technology could be down there? Is it still functional? And most importantly, could it be dangerous? The implications extend beyond mere curiosity. They touch on our understanding of history, science, and even our place in the universe. Excavation has been tricky. The team is being extremely cautious because they have no idea what they'll find when they start digging. There's a possibility that tampering with the craft could trigger some sort of response, or worse, an unintended consequence. What if it releases unknown energies or materials into the environment? And what about the potential for contact with extraterrestrial intelligence? These concerns add layers of complexity to the already challenging task of uncovering the truth. As we stand on the brink of what could be a groundbreaking discovery, the world watches with bated breath, eager to see what secrets Skinwalker Ranch may finally reveal. Right now, the research is ongoing, and the team is preparing for the next phase, an actual excavation. But it's not just about digging up the craft. They're setting up more advanced sensors, preparing to document everything as it happens, and hoping to finally uncover the truth of what's buried beneath Skinwalker Ranch. The implications of this discovery are massive, not just for those studying UFOs and extraterrestrials, but for science as a whole. If we can uncover proof of an alien spacecraft, it would change how we understand the universe and even our place in it. This could open up new fields of research, redefine our technological limits, and even spark a global conversation about life beyond Earth. As we move closer to this potential revelation, the stakes couldn't be higher. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates as this mystery unfolds.